Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am going to do a pour. This is on a, what size canvas do I have here? I think it's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. Yes, that's right, 16 by 20 inch canvas. But I wanted to show you a product that I got from, so I'm affiliated with BeeBeeCrafts. I'll put the link in my description, so if you want to check them out, please do. They have some really amazing stuff. They sent me this 14-piece palette knife set, and I just, to do a review on. They seem to be really nice. It's got nice wood. They're all numbered here, but they're not really flimsy. So I think that, that they seem to be pretty decent product. So I'm really excited to use these. All these fun different angles that I got will do some really cool things. So I'm really super excited to use these. Not for sure if I'm going to use them, all of them today, but I will try to use some of them for sure, just to do some really cool design in my paintings. So I wanted to show you this. It's a 14-piece stainless steel. It's I think the price for this is like around $18 or something like that for all 14 pieces. So it's really a great buy. So, if you're interested in getting a new set of palette knives, use the link in my description and go to BeeBeeCrafts. And it's really a good buy. And I really got them, I think when I let them know what I would like to do reviews on, they sent me these. I think it was like 2 weeks, maybe max, that it took for me to get it. So, if even that long. So, it doesn't take very long for you to get your product. But yeah, so I'm really excited to use these. I love using palette knives in my paintings. These are, I think they're really good quality. I mean, they seem to be really good. So, I'm really excited about these. For that price, I was kind of worried that they would be, not very good quality, but they seem to be really good. So I'm excited to use these. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them today, but I'm definitely going to be grabbing some of them for sure. All right, so let's get to the painting. I am going to use white from my base here. I'm going to use some colors that I have mixed up from another painting, which I'm using Decoart's Metallic Amethyst, SoHo's Prussian Blue, Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold, Blinkrylic's Florescent Magenta, and Artminds Timeless Teal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my white down here. I do see a booby already. I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and you will like and subscribe and share. All that stuff helps out my channel tremendously. If you do that for me, I would appreciate it. My channel is growing every day, and I thank you guys so much for all your support to my channel. It means so much. I can't tell you enough how much it means and how excited I get over each new subscriber that I get. Like, I can literally get one and I'm like, oh, it went up. Oh, it went up. So I do appreciate you guys so much. I see a couple. Sometimes when you have some little thingies there, sometimes when you tip it to the side a little bit, you can kind of see it a little bit better. All right. I am also using Amsterdam's titanium white for my Shmear color today. I think I'm going to put down the teal first. Let's see. Oh, put my whole cup in there. Get that out of there. All right, then I think I'll do the magenta, or magenta. These are some really pretty colors together. The Prussian blue. And then I think I'll put my gold down here now. Hopefully I don't overdo the gold. I tend to do that sometimes. But, oops. Love me some shimmer. Okay, now I'm gonna torch. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I think it's pretty cool. It's got a lot going on. It's pretty funky to look at. That Prussian blue is, look at those cool cells. Those are pretty funky. But that Prussian blue I love. It's gorgeous. That's pretty cool how that the teal's coming through that pink like that. The amethyst is beautiful. Some awesome lacing and cells going on. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. Like I said, these are pretty decent tools. They're really good quality. Like, I'm really impressed with them. Very, very impressed. So I do recommend these highly, highly. I do. But I do thank everybody for watching. I will put the link in my description for BeeBeeCrafts for those palette knives and the name and everything, so you can find them if you're interested in getting some. And yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed it. You will like and subscribe and share. If you're new, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I put up my next videos. If you're returning, I love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. And yeah, I hope everybody's being healthy and safe. And I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.